Everyone, mop up.
Jungle Butt online. Battlefield updates incoming.
People in the jungle. They are coming in a second now. Looking for a pool. Looking for a pool near the gate. They're scared. They're running back. I'm waiting with it.
Protection. Focus enemies.
Fanno il tempo.
Counter pulling.
Counter pulling with anti-heal.
Dropping CC immunity in front of the bulwark.
Bulwark damageable again.
Use the fluid. Using hair pool. Sorry, no, never mind. No. Can wait. Be careful, there's people behind us. Finish the bulwark. There we go. Move towards the middle. We have wiped a few people, so be careful. Actually, no, go all the way bottom. People who respawn go towards the middle, but everyone else go bottom. And focus the bulwark. Okay, we can kill it quickly. Group 1 and 2 go middle.
I died middle of bulwark.
Se va. Fanno il middle bulwark.
Be careful towards the middle. We need to quickly kill it.
I'm gonna pull mid bull. Never mind.
Looking for a pull behind the bulwark. Pulling now.
Repelling, focus the bulwark, so it's dead.
We are kinda dead. I don't see anyone from our team, so I don't know how well we are doing.
40 seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
Quickly kill the middle bulwark, if you can.
Jungle 120. Move it.
Care on the goose.
Jungle 10 seconds.
Get the jungle, get the jungle.
Pagoda.
Stay outside of the base for now. We'll be moving in 10 seconds. Alright, slowly move in. Don't go through the choke, go around. Jump over the wall. Look towards the bottom side. Look towards the bottom side. Gonna be pulling.
Dot gate.
Fan ulti on bottom ground.
Repulling heavy, repulling heavy. Never mind. There's no one here. Pulling in the center, pulling in the center, center bottom. Now, pulling. I have died in the center.
Yep.
Try to push inside the base. We are still inside the base. Don't fight in the choke points. Move towards the bottom, top side. Move towards the top
gate.
side.
Move top gate. Desperate search from them.
She will top
careful.
gate now.
Finish the goose, finish the goose.
Gonna pull
I
top
need
gate.
Pulling
Pulling top gate now, pulling top gate now. Huge pull, you can wipe them here if we focus the pull.
Goose is bottom, goose is bottom, goose is bottom. It's city
immune.
protected, city protection. Died bottom gate.
Fan ulti on bottom ground.
Goose damageable.
Finish the goose, finish the goose. I'm on the tree, sprint me, sprint me, sprint me. Okay, made it halfway. Start slowly moving towards the center if you can.
Got pulling 40.
I'm being pushed back by this guy with charge attack. Upgrading Zeal.
Gonna pull in 50.
30 seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
Get ready for the pull. 8 seconds. 3. Like now, 3.
Using Desperate Search. Heal
Yellow
them.
120. Move it.
To change.
I need someone to execute the person body blocking me. He has no key. Does now. Good luck. Get the jungle. There's some enemies on the top, you can still get there though. Need heals on the tree.
Fan ulti on good.
Gonna pull by the tree. Pulling. Anti-heal as
take all
well.
of them. Gonna die in a second. I'm dead on the tree. Thank you.
Getting on.
Pulling on the
I'm
tree.
on the tree, on the
Hello.
tree.
Pulling in the choke. Never mind.
I'm on the stairs, get outside. Everybody outside.
Dropping CC immunity. Giving you sprint.
Sprint, yeah. Getting pushed.
Defense killed most of them. They are sending us
That's okay.
people.
Sweet ticket.
I'll take it on.
I'm on the tree. Upgrade zeal.
Yeah. Got full in 15.
I can be healed.
Gonna pull
You want
behind
now?
the tree, gonna pull behind the tree on Nameless. Pulling now. Did anti-heal. Good pull.
Execute the guy near me, please. Thank you. Jungle in 90 seconds. People on the bottom roof. Move towards the tree.
"30 seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate."
Boss in 30.
You're low on 20. Move it.
Thank you, sweetheart. Look at the boss. Oh, it's still up. Oh, we got the boss, nice. Get the jungle, get the jungle.
Kill on the tree now.
I can sprint to you or you die?
No, I'm dead, I'm dead. Just wait a bit.
I'm gonna pull top.
Fan ulti
Top, top, top,
meteor arena.
pulling top, pulling top.
Pulling in the center, pulling in the center.
I'm on the tree. Wait, not done, not yet, not yet.
Yeah, it's fine.
Now you can.
I would wait for Zeal. I think Zeal is better, honestly. Because this one gives us movement speed. The other ones did not.
I mean, next steal is in 4 minutes.
Yeah. And then we can do both.
I'm full speed, just do speed.
You're bogged down now. If we wipe them, then yeah, I'll
Full
sprint you.
speed, full speed.
You're bogged down. People on bottom roof.
Full speed.
Nope. Oh, you are. Never mind. Yeah. I was looking at the wrong one. Cool. Nice.
Kill on the tree now.
Fan ulti behind.
Just split surge, just split surge. Dead on she.
I'm being AoE'd. I'm pulling. Not sure if it did anything.
Rippling in front of the tree. Anti-heal. Huge pull.
Trying to grab it. Can't.
Sweet.
Using Desperate Surge.
I don't see the button. Oh no, I do.
Oh, okay. Yeah, almost got it. Cool. Kill the rest. Jungle in 1 minute.
$30 seconds. Wrap it up. Get ready to rotate.
Sprint in 20 seconds, but we need a little bit more currency. We need 1 more camp. For both buffs.
On full speed.
Oh, no, 10 seconds.
Yellow and 20. Move it.
They're gonna wall you any second. Okay, get the jungle, get the jungle.
He ult on the tree now.
Gonna sprint you any second.
Don't-
Never mind, wall. They are body blocking you too many. Can I do that now?
No, 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 no.
No. We need some of those waves on the tree. People on the blue tree come back to the red
I'm dead
tree.
on tree, dead on tree.
Need dress on the tree as well.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna pull in front of the tree.
Herma.
Trying to
now,
grab
in
it.
front,
Trying to
going
grab
down,
it. Don't have this pop up. Ah, I see it.
I got it.
Okay, you got it.
I'm dying
If
though.
you survive, okay, I have it. Sprint. Oh, never mind. No. You kicked me out. Picking it up. All good.
Ati got on it.
I'm gonna
Sprinting
on the
Adi.
tree.
GG's.
GG.